What was it? Look at me. Ooh. Stiff well. Scalp. Scalp. Hi, it's Vanessa Goddess here, and I have the flu.
And she's contagious.
Not really, no. My doctor at the hospital told me that it's only contagious if you have a fever.
All right, you guys. So, little Finesse Delisa is sick. So, I got her some garlic. A really big garlic clove cut up. Let it sit for 5 minutes. So the little chemical reaction, you know, can come out and the properties come out of it. Swallow it with some water, made her some green tea, and honey, we finna knock this motherfucking flu out of here. Cause it is not welcome. So obviously you're gonna take that in probably like 3 go rounds.
I'm just
a lot of
gonna
garlic.
try to put my mouth around all of it and just get it over with.
I mean, I don't want you to choke. That's why.
Let's go.
Can you split it in half?
I don't know.
You did it?
Yeah.
Oh, see, I knew you were gonna be good at this. Ooh, you're a trooper. You did great. What's going on, guys? This your girl Easy Breezy, and of course today we have a brand new hair sponsor. Thank you so much, Lumiere, for sending us this 613 blonde lace front wig. Honey, first of all, look at that scalp, okay? Look at this scalp. Lucky for you guys, I did a separate video on how I did this honey brown ombre at the tips of the hair, which y'all will really enjoy. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that link in the description below.
Twelve seconds later.
When I tell you guys, this got to be one of my favorite colors of all time. I mean, it's very simple, but it's just like, it's soft, it's different, and honey, this wig, yes ma'am. Also, Jaleesa told me that this is one of the softest blonde wigs she's ever had, so just letting you guys know that if you want to get this wig, I will put all the information below. And if you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you go ahead and do that. See y'all later.